This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. Last episode, Amazon experienced a glitch where gift card prices were showing up 30 to 50% off. If these go through, I could make thousands of dollars from these price errors. Today, one of the gift cards arrived and we're going to see if it works. Moment of truth. No way, bro. Like, it actually worked. Dude, the gift card worked. Oh my gosh, I wish they didn't cancel the rest of them. This would have been the come up of a lifetime. Okay, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but still. So these were the gift cards that I bought, and unfortunately all of them got canceled except for the Uber Eats gift card, a DoorDash gift card, and 2 Nordstrom gift cards, with this being one of them. Alright, I gotta find out how to actually get the best return on investment from these gift cards. How do I even math this? I have to add 60.40 to my total. That's basically how much I'm gonna pay for it. For these breads, it's gonna be 95.98 plus 60.40, and that's basically how much I'm gonna pay for it. And considering the price, this is not really worth it. So I gotta find something else. Okay. And dunk. This might be the one. I just gotta make a decision fast. I'm sure there's something else that I could probably get that will yield me more profit. But the issue is, according to other members in the group, they're deactivating cards. So I gotta use this immediately. I have to make a decision like right this moment. So yep, this is what I'm gonna go with. So the rest of the gift cards came in, and we gotta use them right away. Place order, and it's done. So I basically got these for $65.40. As you can see, we got a bunch of Uber Eats and 1 DoorDash gift card. See if these work. No. What the heck? Gift card is not active. Shit. I'll try the DoorDash one. Oh my god, this one worked. And I paid only $14.17 for it. Although we should make some money, these gift cards were ultimately not as profitable as I hoped. So those are the results for the great Amazon gift card glitch. We have a streetwear flip Hellstar that's going to be dropping in about 10 minutes. The highlight out of all of these releases is going to be the jacket. There's only going to be 50 of them made. I need to get really lucky to be able to cop this. Everything else should also be profitable. If I get absolutely anything else from this collection, I'll be pretty happy. Anyways, it's showtime. Imagine, bro. Imagine. Oh, no way. Why did you give me another one? Unfortunately, I flopped the initial drop. I had a price track configured in my tasks, which basically prevented the tasks from checking out, but I went ahead, restarted my bot, set up for restocks properly, and boom, checked out 2 full moon t-shirts, which I personally think is the best looking tee out of their entire collection here. And I could have gotten a 3rd tee and a hoodie had I not gotten payment declined by my bank. Big sad. And also something else happened, but I can't say it right now. You'll have to wait till later. Sorry. November 1st, 2023. Amazon experienced another pricing glitch, this time on Prime hydration sticks. The way it worked is that if you added 2 or 3 different Prime flavors to your cart, the order would show up as being totally free. So fellow members and I went ahead and placed order after order after order until it was out of stock. And the best part about it is that none of the orders got canceled, and they should be arriving shortly. And because of that, I should be making some decent money for something that I got for absolutely free. However though, it is November the 3rd. What isn't free are my subscriptions. So we do have to knock a few $100s off of our profit, but relative to what we've been doing so far, this amount is absolutely negligible, so it's no problem there. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day of listing items on eBay because a bunch of the stuff that I bought should be coming in very soon. And here it is, Hellstar Tea, the 2 orders from Nordstrom, and here we have a very special package. The SB Dunk Born and Raised. I wasn't originally going to include these as part of the series. I feel like the series is just from October moving forward. However, this dropped at the very end of September. Therefore, I'm just going to include them anyways. But to keep things fair and consistent, I will include my botting costs for September as well. I did get 2 of these, so another one should be coming in very soon. And we also have a bunch of Prime that came in. We still have more on the way, but I feel like this is good enough to get started listing on eBay or wherever I decide to sell it.
Yeah, you know I'm poppin'. Walk in the store, I got lots of options. Jimi Hendrix, sweater I be rocking.
The other day, we picked up another price error, this time from Under Armour. Was able to grab 4 hoodies that had an MSRP of $50 down to only $13. I won't exactly get rich from selling this price error, but it does add up. And this can also help snowball your selling account into even more sales for your other listings. Because I was told by an eBay insider that sales history is one of the main contributing factors to having your listings more visible on their website, which means faster, easier sales for your entire account. Speaking of profits adding up, one thing that I forgot to include and mention is that the credit card rewards farming thing that I've been doing stacks with cashback extensions such as Rakuten. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to our profit. And we also got cash back from purchasing the gift cards from earlier. By the way, it's just in general, using a cashback credit card in combination with this Rakuten extension will allow you to get free money whenever you shop online. Just don't be silly and buy random stuff online just to get cash back, because that would totally defeat the purpose of it. I would just recommend having these handy for online shopping trips that you would make anyway. If you haven't signed up for Rakuten yet, I would highly recommend it for anybody because it's totally free, and if you use my referral code in the description, you do get some cashback bonuses. This episode was mostly about sourcing inventory, so this is my inventory list for now, and this is the expected profits from these items. I was told that November was going to be a pretty busy month, especially with Black Friday coming up. So in addition to the inventory that I'm going to sell, I should have no shortage of making money in the coming weeks. I'll see you then.
I gotta break them all down, set myself free. I cannot live inside my